Aliko Dangote, Africa's richest man and owner of $20 billion Dangote Refinery in Lagos, says he's still facing strong opposition from powerful groups trying to stop his refinery from working properly. Speaking at an investor event in Lagos, Dangote said that some people who used to make a lot of money from importing fuel in Nigeria are now fighting because they are losing money. He said those groups are angry that fuel subsidies have been removed and are trying to block his refinery from succeeding. They don't want the refinery to work, Dangote said, but I've been fighting all my life and I won't stop now. I'm sure I will win in the end. The Dangote refinery, which started making petrol in December 2024, is meant to help Nigeria stop depending on imported fuel. The refinery can produce 650,000 barrels of oil per day. Dangote said that oil companies are making it hard for his refinery to get Nigerian crude oil by raising prices. Because of this, he has had to import crude from faraway countries like the US, which cost more money. Last year, Dangote said he regretted starting the refinery because of the challenges. He even compared the oil industry mafia to drug cartels, saying that they were more powerful. However, he is still hopeful. The country and Africa need this refinery. I believe the problems are only temporary, he said. While support for Dangote is growing, the Independent Petroleum Marketers Association of Nigeria, IPMAN, says they back his fight. IPMAN spokesman Chinedu Kadike said, "This is just business competition. We are happy with his lower fuel prices, even if it affects our profits." Despite these problems, Dangote said he won't give up. "I am ready. We will win this battle for Nigeria," he said. For more fresh news updates and exclusive videos, please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.